to Africa, Isolate to Bopoco, from Cape to Cairo, Morocco to Madagascar, no settler can claim an inch of our land. Welcome to the Azanin podcast. I want to discuss with you Iskezo se ANC. I don't normally talk about other political formations on this platform because this is for Boko. But we need to talk about the opportunistic ANC, but also the ANC that is throwing it in the faces of the people of Eastern Cape, and I'm born and bred and raised in the Eastern Cape. So Ngwase Eastern Cape, and the people, our people from Limpopo. We need to talk about it, Africa, because irongo what the PAC is doing. The President Ramaphosa was in Echofimvaba recently with His Excellency the King Dalimvula Matanzim. And he made the point that they know their strongholds and they know where they are sure where their votes are coming from. And that is Eastern Cape and Limpopo. And you look at the conditions of our people from Limpopo and the Eastern Cape, and you look at the two provinces, the most poverty, the most illiterate, the most underdeveloped and progressive, but they keep throwing it in the faces yabantu base Eastern Cape ukuthi thina sisho ukuthi asoze singavotelwe Eastern Cape and Limpopo. Wrong in the PAC, and I pray and I wish and we call upon our people Eastern Cape and our people Limpopo to please wake up. Wake up. ANC idlala ngathi. They know ukuthi insusa why they saying ukuthi ANC, I mean Eastern Cape ne Limpopo bayazi the history. Just like if tomorrow the PAC can say the same, they know the history. But badlala ngabantu. They take those votes, bahambe balibale bajonge bangajongi nasemva. Bona bahambe baye ko Gauteng, ko Western Cape, baphile ubomu bezinana. Bane mentions millions. Abantwana babo bafunda overseas. Bane tender, ne connections, ne positions onozibiza ba position banibani nentonto bane millions kwi bank accounts zabo bona nabantwana babo. Bona amakhaya wabo asset. Aba bantu babavotelayo abanaxesha nabantwana babo bane toilets, abanazi toilets esikoleni. 847 yezikole Eastern Cape sene pit toilets. Kodwa bakhala ukuthi vote imbi into eyenziwa iANC kubantu base Eastern Cape nabantu base Limpopo. Imbi khohlakala. Nkohlakalo. Ugqiba umuntu ame kwi podium aqhayisa ukuthi sithina sishore ukuthi iANC Eastern Cape ne Limpopo soze ngasivotela. Kodwa xa ujonga ngemvo makhulu bethu notata omkhulu bethu indlela inhlupheko abakuyo. Vukani bantu base Eastern Cape. Vukani bantu base Limpopo. Wake up. Please, our people. Futhi sifundi ANC izwe lethu bopoqo. Hayifuthi isifundi ANC asodlale ngabantu ogqiba umuntu ame kwi podium aqhayisa ukuthi sishort ni vote sinangazifumana eEastern Cape nase Limpopo kodwa abantu bakhona babenzelani. Babenzelani. Poqo masilithathe elizwe. Masilithathe elizwe. Kuhlukumeza kwabantu bethu kangaka. Ngamachata. Izwe lethu Africa.